Malawi Brief.
First, you talked about the struggle for power, which might affect the performance of the DPP. Can you shed more light on that?
As one of the people who love DPP and who love Professor Peter Mutari, I feel bad when I see the leaders of our party fighting for power, fighting for 2030. This is not the time. Malawi has believed in DPP. They want DPP to deliver. They want DPP to bring development. They want DPP to bring change. Instead of doing that, our other leaders are busy campaigning each other, are busy fighting for power. That thing will destroy our party. That thing will not make DPP be back in power come 2030.
What should your followers and the follow-up DPP expect from you, both as the DPP, as the party, but you also as the mayor of London?
People, they want so many things from Jomo. They know Jomo is going to deliver. But all this to be delivered is not about Jomo. It's about us. All people who live in London, we need to come together and fight our common goal. Our common goal is poverty. Our common goal is someone who doesn't have anything. So Jomo will fight for those who have resources, to give us those resources so that it should help those who doesn't have.
In the days before mayoral election, there were some doubters. People who are doubting your capability. What message do you have for those people who doubted if Jomo can really deliver?
I want to tell them, it's the wish of God to make something great. It's not about education or about money, but the humanity is more important. If you are good to people, people will support you. If you work for people, if you love people, people will save you. So to me, I know myself, I know what I'm capable. I don't care what people say. They're going to say that this guy is not educated. I don't care. My focus is to develop. My focus is to deliver. I want to prove them wrong.
Okay. And during your speech, you also touched on the street kids. And you said you would like to see them out of the streets and have something to do to make them responsible citizens. What plans do you have?
I have already started doing some initiatives helping these kids to learn skills. We have started searching for people who are going to give them what to do. So Jomo will try to do that. And I'll try my best because I want people from Branta to be safe. I want them to understand that when they're in Branta, everything is safe for them. So I'll try my best to give these guys, because the language that I should speak to them, they're going to understand better from me more than anyone else.
That's a real point.